How can you not love Peter, man? Babe, if I wasn't with you, Peter, I'm just saying, all right? I know it's your wedding day, but no.
You both will be great parents one day. And Adrianna, you better effing behave.
Peter specifically is the king of eating in the family.
Like Grandma said, you really are a mijo today.
Give me your left hand. No, other hand.
Deep.
My name's Adrianna.
Okay.
I like long walks on the beach.
Name?
Tan.
Yes, sir!
So girly, and she can never get in trouble. I could never discipline her because her older sister would protect her. She had like 4 mothers. 4 moms.
Let's boogie down, have fun, drinks, whatever. Let's just have a good time.
I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my thing.
Who do you think is gonna get the drunkest tonight?
Oh, for sure, Peter.
Yeah!
Actually, both.
Both of them.
Adrianna Moreno Tan. She deserves it. She's gonna be the drunkest tonight. I'm wishing you guys a happy marriage. Love y'all.
I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my thing.
I was wondering where your koozie was. Do I show you everything?
You can.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so lucky to have you as my husband, and this is my best day in my life. Thank you for being mine. I'll love you more every day.
Aw.
We are gathered here today to witness the union of Peter Tan and Adrianna Moreno in holy matrimony. On this beautiful day in Dripping Springs, November 2nd, 2024, we celebrate the love that has blossomed between these two remarkable individuals. Little did I know, when I sat between them in nutrition class during college, that a spark had ignited, one that would grow into an unbreakable bond. Peter, your intuitive, amiable, and dynamic nature has captured Adrianna's heart, just as her quirky, humorous, and beautiful spirit has captured yours. Weather the storms of nursing school and the challenges of starting your careers, emerging stronger and more devoted to one another.
To the sunny days at Port A, where I first met this young man and this young lady. Each trip has been filled with laughter, great stories, and unforgettable memories.
Marriage is not merely a union of two individuals, it is the intertwining of two souls, creating a powerful force that shapes families and communities. It offers emotional depth, a partnership built on trust, respect, and unwavering devotion.
Man, we try to have a good time.
Yes, sir. How you doing, little brother? Yes, sir.
Peter is a straight up happy human. He's a guy you want to be around. Every time I'm with Peter and his family, the question always is Peter coming? Is Peter coming?
From the moment Rolando introduced us 8 years ago, my life changed in ways I could never have imagined. As time goes by, I feel so grateful for your love. I feel like the luckiest person to share this journey with you. It's the little things that you do just make me fall in love with you every single day, and how your smile still makes my heart race.
To Adrianna, one of the most modest, self-driven, selfless women I know. And not only with your personal success, but with finding the most perfect dingus to accompany you everywhere and to constantly fuel off each other's positivity and finding someone to share and spread all of that energy to the people around you. I remember when Adrianna came and told us that she had met you, and we immediately fell in love with Peter.
Adrianna gave us an awesome and incredible brother.
Peter, my brother now, you are exactly everything that Adrianna deserves.
You're so.
Thank you.
Thank you. Adrianna, from the moment we met, you became my best friend, my partner, my everything.
Rowdy, I'm so excited.
I'm gonna be crying a lot more out there, so.
Yay!
Oh man.
Peter, your kindness and loyalty is truly an inspiration. And Adrianna, you light up the room when you walk in. That's just your personality. Together, you complement each other perfectly, creating a partnership built on love, respect, and joy.
Love you, Dad.
I love you more, girl. I can't believe she's gonna believe me. Oh my God, but she's gonna be good health. I love you, Adrianna.
Today, I promise to stand by you through every joy, every challenge, and every quiet moment in between.
I promise to support your dreams and goals. I promise to never take your smile or those dimples for granted.
I vow to love you fiercely, to listen deeply, and to support your dreams as if they were my own. With you, I am home. You are my heart and my forever.
Peter, do you take Adrianna to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor and cherish her, love, trust, and commit to her until death do you apart?
I do.
Adrianna, do you take Peter to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor and cherish him, love, trust, and commit to him until death do you apart?
I do.
Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough to keep me from getting to both of you. I love you both. Congratulations.
We have 4 daughters, and today we gained a son.
Heroes are synonymous, and together you will both overcome anything and everything.
Remember to always cherish the small moments and support each other in every endeavor.
Can I get a oh God?
Cheers to Peter and Adrianna.
I promise to be silly with you, to dance with you, to keep our life full of laughter and joy, knowing that we're stronger together than we could ever be apart. I love you.
Peter and Adrianna, having proclaimed your love and commitment to one another in the eyes of these loved ones, and with the power vested in me and by the state of Texas, I'm so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.